Hi, Brahmas people. So, I have a very important message for you. As far as the feedback I got from your personal mentor, many of you are not writing your test on time. So, there may be two reasons. Firstly, that you are having some sort of emergency at your end. Secondly, you are not able to prepare well for the exam. Okay. So, for the first category of people who are having some sort of emergency at your end, a simple piece of advice which you have to follow. Okay. That if you are missing any sort of test out of some emergency, please do not break the rhythm. What I'm trying to say, that prepare for the next test and try to give that test on time. The test which you have missed, try to reschedule it on some later dates. Okay, don't try to break the schedule of your test series. For those who fall in the second category of not preparing well, let me tell you one thing, that there is no definition of preparing well for the UPSC CSE. Everything under the sun is the part of the syllabus और ये कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला. Won't complete until even when you get the final rank, तब तक भी नहीं होगा. So the strategy is very simple, that try to give your test on time for whatever you have studied, with whatever you have studied. ठीक है. This will do two things. First thing, this will act as a penalty measure upon you. Here मैंने नहीं पढ़ा इसलिए मैंने टेस्ट दिया और इसलिए मैंने मार्क्स कमाए. So I should study well for the next test. Secondly, what it will do, it will make you exam ready. With exam ready, I mean with a simple thing, that in exam also you may see some questions which you might have not studied for. है ना? So just go confidently, try to attempt your test and see all such questions for which you haven't studied as a bouncer questions. ठीक है कि एग्जाम में अगर कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चन आए जो आपको नहीं आते तो उनको कैसे आपको अटेम्प्ट करने की स्ट्रेटेजी बनानी है. Okay, so please do not miss the schedule, or if you are missing anything in the schedule, or if you have missed anything in the schedule, please try to follow or catch up with the schedule from the next test onwards. Okay, thank you. See you.